Hey Griffins, Mr. Bell here, just giving you a quick example of how to do your long division method. Now, we have looked at this quite a lot recently, however, because you're doing it at home, we thought, me and Mr. Skilling had a chat and we thought it'd be useful for us to give you a video showing our method. So, if you have a look at this question, you can see that I'm doing 5,173 divided by 22. Okay, now before we do any of our long division methods, we always start off with our KFC, which is our key fact chart. So I'm going to quickly work out my 2, 5 and 10 times 22. So 2 times 22 is 44. Then I like to do my 10 times first because it's the same as adding a 0 on if we're using our dirty math. So 220, and then I can halve it to work out 5 times 22, which is 110. So that KFC chart will just make it a bit quicker when we get to answering our questions. So first question I'm asking myself is, how many 22s go into 5? And I know that I cannot fit 22 into 5. So next I need to ask myself, how many 22s go into 51? If I have a look at my KFC chart here, I know that 2 times 22 is 44. However, I'm just going to check if 3 times 22 can fit in. So, if I add another 22 on, I'll find out that 3 times 22 is 66, which is too big. So I am going to use 2 lots and take that away. So I'm taking away the 44. So, one takeaway 4 I can't do, so like we would normally, I've got to exchange my 5 for a 4 and make this 11. 11 takeaway 4 is 7. 4 takeaway 4 is 0. Once I've done my subtraction, I need to bring down my next digit. So my next digit here is a 7. And like in class, I'm using a different number to show my numbers coming down. Now, I'm asking myself, how many 22s fit into 77? Remember, we've already worked out that 3 times 22 is 66, and 22 would make it 88, which is too big. So I'm going to use 3 lots of 22, which is 66. If I take that away, 7 take away 6 is 1, 7 take away 6 is 1, I'm left with 11. Just like before, I need to bring down my next digit to make it 113. Now thinking, how many 22s go into 113? If I check my KFC chart, I can see that 5 times 22 is 110. Very close to my 113, so that's how many I'm going to take away. So I have a 5 here, and I take away my 110 and leave me with 3 at the end. So I'm left with 3 at the end. This is my remainder. So remember, when we're showing our remainders, we like to show them as fractions. So it'll be 3 over my number I'm dividing by 22. 3 over 22, which leaves me with my answer of 235 and 3 over 22 as my answer for 5,173 divided by 22. I hope watching this method has helped. As always, if you are really struggling with your homework, you can let either me or Mr. Skilling know in school, but hopefully by watching this video has helped you be able to do your homework on your own. Thanks.